Hi, Boo.
Rocking on her new rocking chair. She got it at the auction from Orville Herner's auction.
And great Grandpa Ray's gonna finish it off for me when he gets home, right, Jay? Needs to be resanded and restained. Or refinished, whatever.
Yep. Do you remember this from Orville's house? We're wondering. But this is what we got from Orville's sale.
You big girl?
Hang on. Rockabye. Rockabye, baby.